What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to put on the ISR rear suspension kit, upper control arm, rear upper control arm, tension rod, and tie rod. So let's get to it. So now it's all together. Well, mine's cool over, but yep, it's all together. But I'm gonna sit you down. I'll sit you guys right here. Did you guys see it? But yeah, that was the longest process ever. Like when I did the other side, when I did the other side, wasn't even that long.
No, I got him that day.
No.
I did.
What?
No.
Something the Ray-Bans you got from Mario.
Yeah. When I was up there, I was talking. You went in the car.
Either way, I have your Ray-Bans. I know, I put them up. I'm gonna let you forget about it. Oh yeah, I found them. Where? But yeah, yesterday this process took so much longer, or no, process took longer doing this side than it did the other side. So good for now. But yeah. Uh-oh, man. Now just a matter of getting them all nice and hot.
Ooh. Mom told me she was going to the hearing on
The what?
The hearing, the funeral or whatever. And I'm like, why you ain't telling me that? Because I'm like, you gotta wait till Tuesday.
She said she did tell you. Because you called her at like 9 o'clock or something.
Yeah, I told her just call the guy, that way you can schedule a different day.
True.
That's why I'm like, I hate when I give you all that shit for nothing and like, oh.
But yeah.
Whatever you give saying, just
I have them. I put them up
said,
for a reason. I know. I just don't remember where I put them off the top of my head, but I have them. They're in my room.
I hate when I drive on the fucking sun. Like,
Well, maybe you should stop leaving your freaking Ray-Bans everywhere. You ever think about that?
Fucking Oakleys everywhere. Then.
Hey, I know. Hey, I know where exactly where all my Oakleys are. Where's
your pair of Oakleys downstairs at?
They are on the table.
What table?
The dining room table.
What else?
What?
What else?
What else?
Yeah, what else is on downstairs in the living room?
A bunch of my stuff is downstairs in the living room.
What you know where your shit is? Give me an exact spot where the shit is. I seen it.
I know exactly. I just had my Oakleys on this morning when I came in from work.
Yeah, that's one pair. What's the other pair?
All my Oakleys are in my room. Besides the pair I had today.
Some of the black ones?
Yeah.
The black and white ones?
Yep. Yeah. Don't try that. I know where I keep all my stuff. Cause I just seen them before I came out here. But either way, they're in the living room.
When we first got them, I said, look, man, whatever you do, don't lose these things.
Don't worry, I lost 2 pair of Oakleys so far.
Yeah, now I lost my Ray-Bans last month anyway. So,
yeah.
There you go.
I need a
What does that mean? Oh. You got this mofo Speeding up. Stop slamming the damn door.
Hey, how's it going?
You got change to a swing?
Speed.
Wait. Spit. I'll be right.
Wait, so where you at?
Hello, sir. How are you?
Oh, not in this car. You hit me in the center. Take it easy.
Who's with it, sir? Oh man.
You ready to start?
Sure.
Alrighty, guys. Don't shake. I mean, my hands are dirty. My hands are dirty.
Man, that's all good.
You too. But yeah, sorry. I just recorded all of that. I ain't really mean to, but yeah. But no. How'd you get? Oh no. Uh-oh. I need my screwdriver. Oh, Phillips. Oh no. Oh. Alright, more. But yeah. Oh, that was fast. Oh, damn. I really hate this thing sometimes. I don't know. They're probably going back out Towson.
Yo, where the fuck is this nigga Damon at?
Oh, yeah, I went the wrong way. See that? I went the wrong way. Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna keep going. Well, yeah, I gotta go skate.
No, he got dropped right here in the board off and he was gonna go skate. This nigga said I'd be here 20 minutes. He said that 45 minutes ago. Black people talking.
Yeah.
I'm fucking bluffing, I'm mad at myself.
Hmm?
I'm mad at myself.
You bluff.
Yeah.
Who's with Nick, his girl? Alright.
I thought it was Tim.
I said that. Oh, God. Ugh. There we go. Oh, yep, I knew it. So I used the other side to take it off. But this side is actually smaller. And I need my 18. No, that's the 17. Where did my 18 go? Just 17. Dr. One.
I'm trying to get some clips today, and this nigga Damon been a little bitch.
Nigga, no.
Too far up?
about sitting on my car like that.
What you mean? Like what?
Where is my 18? Where really at? Where's my... There we go. Ooh. Let me end this. So, this is my ISR suspension kit that I will be replacing with the stock suspension kit. So, what you need for this is a 19 socket, half inch drive, and I don't know what this is called, but it comes in handy because it's like a double-sided nut on both of them, and it just works better. I like to get them all. Now for this, you do have to take your coilovers out, seeing as your coilover goes through. So, alright, so what you want to do, you want to come back to the trunk and grab your 12 ratchet or a wrench. Probably a wrench will probably do better. And you got to take the coilovers out. And you start with those two. And if you come around here, you got the bottom of the coilover, which is right there. You got to take that one off. So, let's get cracking. So right now, I have my 19 socket with my half-inch drive with my jack handle as a pry bar, and I have my handy-dandy nut holder holding the other side just to break it loose. Hold on. Give me a little. So as you guys can see, I don't know, I might have put it too high. And there we have it. This area is so freaking tight. Pat, that's what she said. It's time to take the control. Oh, well, I kind of. Alright, hold on. Maybe I can. Hold on. Oh, why is my. Alright, hold on. I like this message. Let me see. No, don't fall. Alright. Here's my coilover. And here's the upper controller. Oh. This thing is nasty. But this is the new one. See? Yeah. Now, when you put this in, is this it? Yeah, this is the one. No, this is not the one. This is that one. Alright. Now when you put this one in, kind of put it in like so, and you see how it has a bend, it's bent upwards. Hold on. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand. But you see how it's bent upward? This is how you want to put it in. Now it doesn't matter if it goes on this side or that side because it freaking rotates, but you want to make sure it's bent upward. Okay? Oh. Let me put it back in. I just dropped my GoPro. Alright. Now, I highly recommend getting an alignment after putting these in. I put this on the wrong side. I highly recommend getting alignment after you put these in, because like I said, I just did the other side while the camera was charging, and I have held the camera on the other side. So, oh, wait a minute. I don't know if you guys can see, but wow, that helped, man. But yeah. But yeah, then this toothpiece goes in just like that. Hold on. Did I put that on right? Yeah, there we go. Like that. Where's the bolt? Hold up. Ooh. I just cut myself.
Good, Brody?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Bitch, you just hit my car? Oh.
Well, I gotta be a bitch.
Because I said so. Because you hit my car.
I hit your car.
Okay.
I was coming.
Now sometimes you have to twist it. See, I didn't really measure it. I do this with the last side. But sometimes you have to twist it until this actually comes out. So it should be, nope, gotta do some more. Right there. Oh, you know, yeah. Yeah, so. I still have my tire rod and hey. I still have my tire rod and God damn it, I gotta do more. Yeah. I mean, you said you wanted to help.
I do, but you do all this stuff and I'm learning, so.
You ain't learning if you left.
I didn't. I went to go get a jazz. And then I tried to find.
This guy asked me, can he help work on my car? But yet left to go get a jazz, and now he's probably about to go somewhere else.
No, I'm not!
So, therefore, I'm just gonna keep working on my car. And I gotta tighten this. I need my wrench. No, don't try to help now.
What? All the viewers just saw I tried to help, right?
And now for this guy, the tire rod. This is the one I had a problem with last time. This guy, like earlier. Hold on, let me see. Got this bolt right here. My bad. Got that bolt right there. And then you got another bolt. You guys can see it. I can't, but I know it's like right here. And another thing, when you take your coilover out, see, as you can see, I took my coilover out. It's like right there. But another thing, when you go to break the bolts loose, make sure you put your jack under. Just make sure you have a jack under, or at least something under to hold it, so when you're breaking the bolts loose, it doesn't actually mess up anything. So right now I'm working on the rear traction rods, and it's almost out. So my bad. I don't know where to put you guys. Put you guys in my exhaust if it'll sit. No, it's not gonna sit. Actually, yeah, it will. My hands are like so dirty, and I'm like putting my hands all over my GoPro. My poor GoPro. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh god. And it just fell. But yeah. Gotta get this piece out. Ta-da. And replacement. As you can see. It's so pretty. Now what you want to do, you want to make sure you measure them so that they're the same length, so that you know that when you put them in, like with the other one I did, I had to keep twisting it because it wasn't the same length. Yeah, you don't want to have to keep doing that. So it's best just to measure them both. Hold on. That should be it. Do it one more. Like, I mean, this is just an eye measurement, but yeah, looking at it like that, that should be, that's what you want to make sure they're all the same length as the OEM ones that you're taking out, because then you know everything's going back the way it came out to an extent. Yeah, to an extent, because these they're gonna be a little different after putting them on. I don't even know if I'm in the camera, but they're gonna be a little different after putting them on because these are actually adjustable, and these are just it. So now the last one I gotta do is this one. The last one, the one that gave me the problem yesterday. I feel like you guys are looking at too high. I got you guys sitting. So hopefully you guys don't fall again. Oh, yeah. What is this? Why am I cold? And I'm not no mechanic, but I always misplace crap, like the bolts, like this one. Now this bolt comes out of here, and it connects right here. Now what I normally do, well, what I would suggest you do is put it in the new one so that you know where it's at. Because if you don't and you misplace it, then you'll be like me a couple minutes ago. Woo, just looking for it, not even knowing where the hell it's at when it's right in your face. But that way, when you put it on here, you know exactly where it's at. Now for the for this one, sorry, I had a brain fart. For this one, I might want to remove your axle. Damn it, I keep dropping this thing. You might want to remove your axle because it's actually easier to get to it. At least it was for me, because I have freaking long sockets, and I got my nut holder on this side. I should have took it off. Are we on? Yeah, we're on. Then you grab your ratchet. Ooh. Put your ratchet on. And then, oh crap. I don't know if this is gonna work. Hold on. Cause I may have to, oh crap, wrong thing. Yeah, so about 45 minutes later, finally get it up. Now, the one, open the door for me. One thing about the, grab and go in the center console and grab that. Grab the plastic bag. Now, the plastic bag, yeah. There's two. What's it? This should, yeah, that one. That one. Now, no. Put that one back. That's all the stuff that goes to the motor. Now for this, these, yeah, take them out. Or these are for the S14. These are for the S14. These are for the S13. So this is what I got stuck on when I did the other side. Hop straight up. Alright. So, oh shit, I didn't show you guys, but yeah, they pop right up. And then you get these. My hands are so dirty. Then you pop these right in. Like so. Oh, Avengers was actually good. It's kind of sad at the end, but it was actually.
Half the people died.
Yeah. How you know?
Because people kept fucking spoiling this shit on Facebook.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, in the comments, they was on those.
It's pretty much like that. Let me turn you guys around so you guys can see what I'm doing. See?
Apparently, Iron Man supposed to be the one that alive.
Yeah, Iron Man's still alive, and Thor. Shit, you got me shut up, cause I don't know who didn't see it on the. So that goes in. All right, see? Oh. No, not that one. This one. Oh wait, no. Missing you. See, and this one, just like this, has the same thing. See the little tooth? Yeah. See? But the only thing is, I took this one. God damn it. I took this one out and I don't know where. This one, oh, there we go. Ah. There we go. That's it. The boat. We're up at the boat. This is the boat. You put the boat in. And that's how you do it. Ugh. And now I'm gonna. So now it's all together. Well, mine's cool, but yep, it's all together. But so, guys, remember when I was telling you guys to use the jacks to support it? Yeah, well, I got you guys right in the jack. Ugh. But yeah, don't mind my sound effects. There we go. There we go. Now we's in. Now I get the. And now it's all back together. After, which shouldn't have been that long, but it honestly took me 2 hours, roughly, to get all this done. Alright, so I just put all the bolts back on, tightened everything down, put the wheel on, tighten the lugs. Now you better see. You guys ready? I know I am. Oh shit. I don't even have that much camber. But like this. So like, look. So you guys can see how this one's like really flush. I really don't have no camera on this side. But like we come over to the other side. And look at that. See the camber? Yeah. So I probably have to take this one off and readjust